What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is pickup day of our new and improved 2006 Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster, fresh out of the paint shop.
We are so excited to see it, especially after that disappointing unwrap.
Yeah, if you guys saw that last video, we were expecting just to unwrap the quarter panel and for Kaizen to repair the little tiny 4-inch gash in the quarter panel, like easy peasy. And then we unwrapped all the blue wrap and it revealed problem after unpainted primered fender. Like, what in the world? That was just a disappointment. You're right, but Kaizen said no problem, you know, we can tackle that. They said it turned out great, so we're about to see it in like a minute and 30 seconds. It's right over there in that building.
How crazy is it to think that by the end of this video we will have two Murcielagos side by side in the hangar, one coupe, one roadster, one gated, one E-gear, both pearl paint jobs, and Lamborghini's best colors at that.
Yeah, arguably my two most favorite Lamborghini colors. I'm a sucker for anything pearl. I guess Verde Ithaca would take the cake, but that's a pearl green. There's a reason why these cars go for such a premium with the unique pearl paints, especially blue and white. You'll see a $10,000 premium over like a silver car or a yellow car or something like that. Introducing the newly painted Lamborghini Murcielago. Boom, guys, and there you have it, our new and improved Lamborghini Murcielago. I can't wipe this smile off my face because we are so thrilled with how this car turned out.
So we had to pull it here next to the hangar to knock down some of that crazy wind, and now we're in the shade so that pearl doesn't quite pop as much as it was popping a second ago. But believe us, it's there.
Yeah, in the low light, it kind of just looks like a normal white, but the second you get it in a little sun, it's like the most crazy shimmer metallic pearl paint out there. Like, it is insane.
And I'm sure that was not an easy feat to accomplish, but I think they did a great job at Kaizen.
Yeah, guys, look at the paint match. Look. You can't tell from panel to panel to panel what was painted and what wasn't. They did an incredible job blending it throughout the car. The front end, remember how bad the front end was? All the cracks on the bumper. This whole thing had this like hairline crack going through it. And then there were so many vertical cracks through the front bumper. This thing was like really rough looking. Oh, and not to mention all the hundreds of rock chips throughout the whole front bumper and hood. And now look at it. It looks perfect.
I'm just glad that this was a balloon white car to start with, so that the door jambs and everything underneath, lift up the deck lid, it's all balloon white. So it's a rare color to get on this car. I'm sure not many were made.
I've done some research. I've only seen one other, and I spent a good hour or two looking on Google. I've only seen one other car, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm guessing I can count them on one hand, the amount of pre-LP Roadsters in balloon white. They're that rare. So it's really cool to go back to that original spec. It seems like in the last video, a lot of you guys were happy with our decision. A couple people, for some reason, really liked the blue wrap and said we made a horrible call, but the majority of you wanted to go back to the OEM Lamborghini spec. Okay, Christian, how'd the quarter panel turn out? Remember how chewed up this was?
That turned out, I just love feeling brand new soft paint. We definitely need to look up the aftercare ownership tips about when we can like wax this and lock in this softness.
Oh yeah,
I hope it's soon.
Ceramic coating and stuff, like we gotta do that, but yeah, you're right, we gotta look up when we can do that. But remember this, it was probably 5 inches of a deep scrape right here and then a bunch of little scratches and cracks throughout the quarter panel. And look, absolutely zero sign of any previous damage. And this is tricky to work with. It's not like aluminum or steel or something. It's like a carbon fiber quarter, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'll put in a before and after so you guys can see, but they really worked magic on this quarter. And what do they call this, Christian? Like the belt line or something? Yeah, this is all perfectly intact. They were able to, you know, make that like factory so it all looks super clean on that bend. And sure, right in the beginning, we thought they would just need to do the quarter damage repair, but once we removed the wrap, you know, it revealed all the other bits of damage. So, oh, and then what do you guys think? Should we leave the Murcielago debadged or should we put the logo script back on? What do you think? Without it, nobody knows we're a Lamborghini, right? So obviously we still have a bit of cleaning to do from sitting in the shop. It gets a little dusty and we gotta hit the interior. I've actually never cleaned the interior on this car, so we gotta clean and condition the seats, all the leather in here. But after that, I mean, it's ready to go. A little ceramic coating. I mean, we're ready to get enjoying this thing.
You ready to rally this thing? Would you want to drive in this car for 1,000 miles?
No, we're not going on rallies. With this fresh paint job, this is not going on a rally without a full front end PPF clear bra. So we're gonna baby this thing. No following dump trucks on the way home. We're not getting a single rock chip in this new paint. There you guys go, a little walk around. We're heading off to our cousin's house. We have some little cousins that love cool cars, so we're gonna surprise them with this. Yeah, so once again, we can't be more thankful for another terrific job by Kaizen Collision. They have a bunch of stores now across Arizona, Southern California, and I think Colorado now. So if you need any body work done, or if you got hit or something and need an insurance job done, they do all that work, and they specialize in, of course, all sorts of crazy cars, exotics, but also Teslas, which is a big one because you have to be Tesla certified, which they are. Yeah, they've done such a great job across the board on any car that we throw at them. Can't go wrong. Model 3, Ferrari 575, Bentley, Lamborghini Murcielago, whatever we need done, they always seem to tackle it 10 out of 10. This one's no exception. Ah, those downshifts never get old. Not to show the car next to me until in a couple videos when we reveal it. All right, now back comes in the Maserati. Oh boy, this garage is getting very Italian now. A little rev. Jeez, not bad. That's only 4,000 RPMs. Not bad for stock exhaust with next pipe. Yeah, I know you like the sound of that Murcielago ripping by.
That did sound pretty good. We love our V8 Maserati, our V12 Ferrari, but that is a whole nother sound.
Something about a V12 Lambo hits different. Wow, it's looking good here in the garage with the light beaming down on it. Now you can really see the pearl metallic effect. Super duper cool. Here it is, and boy does it look good.
Speaking of that pearl, probably a good opportunity to take the cover off of our baby.
Now this is the pearl yellow, the brother to balloon white. This thing is also incredible. Given that it only has 9,000 miles, that surely helps keeping it in really good condition. But now we have the twins, the pearl yellow and the pearl white Murcielagos. Like, what is life? What is life? We dreamed of owning these cars as kids. Now we have two of them. We have a pair. We can each take one. We don't even have to fight over them.
I think we dreamed of a Gallardo when a Gallardo was 60, 70 grand.
You're right. We dreamed of, the realistic dream was the Gallardo, and then the dream was the Murcielago. I remember the first time seeing a Murcielago as a kid, like 7 years old. It was in Tyson's Corner, Virginia. It ripped down Route 7, and I heard that thing light up that V12, and it was like the most heavenly sound I've ever heard, and I said, one day we're gonna have one of those.
Well, for me, it was a Lamborghini Reventon.
Chill, we're never gonna be able to afford one of those. Reventon up in here.
No, I mean, that was the first one that I saw. I feel like I recognized a Reventon before I recognized Murcielago.
Okay, well, someone's lucky. See how Remington before Murcielago. Okay, but anyway, we saw these things as kids and now we own them. It's just like crazy. Speaking of owning cars and making dreams come true, guys, I really hope you've already joined the free car giveaways. I don't know when this video is going up, so I'll just put it up on the screen here. This is how many days you have left before the giveaway ends. So all you have to do is go to the main post on free car giveaways, like that picture, share it, tag 3 friends, and follow the pages we're following. You're automatically entered for free to win the car. Somebody random is going to be getting it. No funny games. Nobody's paying us anything.
Well, guys, there you have it. What do you think of the new paint job? Turned out amazing. But as fun as that topless roadster is and how perfect those downshifts are every time, nobody needs 2 Murcielagos.
Right, we're probably gonna have to sell one, guys. So which one stays, which one goes? That's a tough call, but what do you guys think of the new car? Be sure to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching episode 3 or 4 with this car. Can't wait for the next things we have planned for this car. So subscribe so you don't miss them, and we'll see you guys in the next one.